Hello guys, welcome to Tech Talks. Today we are going to see what's inside the oldest Apple iPod. As you can see, there is a white iPod in my hand. As you can see, this is the oldest iPod of Apple, iPod 20 GB, and I think this is the second and third iPod launched by Apple around 10 years ago, 10 and 12 years ago. And you can see this is so much heavy, so I want to see that, and our viewers are also excited to see what's inside this Apple iPod. As you can see, this is the oldest USB port of Apple, as you can see in the iPhone 4s or iPhone 4, and as you can see from this side, as you can able to see that this is the power jack, headphone jack, two different power jacks, two different iPhone jacks. I think this for listening and this is for lock and unlock, and the stainless steel from this side and plastic from this side. So let's see. Actually this is open. Actually, if you see this you can see the Apple logo, the light, because there is some software problem in this iPod and want to see what's inside this. So let's open this and find what we got it inside. Welcome to Tech Talk. So guys, I have opened it partially, as you can see. So I don't have so much professional tools to open this, and I am recommended. I am asking, if your children are watching this, you don't try this at home. Please don't try this at home. This may be very risky for you. So look, this look like Chinese phone actually. And as you can see, there is some port attached with the display, as you can see. So I have to remove the port. Look, what type of port is this? I don't know actually what type of port is this. Okay, this is the battery. This is looking very horrible, I think. Okay, I am going to open this and see what is. Okay, I have to remove the tape. So I have removed the battery. As you can see, this is very powerful battery, as you can see, and this is protected. Actually Apple works very great for this. This is much protected from, as you can see, the remove rubber. This is much protected, and I don't think I can remove this. Okay, I can also remove this. Okay, let's put it inside and see what it is. So okay, there is, now it's very light now. Okay, what was it, and we have to look what it was, because this battery inside it, and what is this? Oh my god, what I found in this, what I got in this. Toshiba. Apple collaborated with Toshiba around 12 years ago. I have to find out this because I didn't know about this. There is some There's some disk drive of Toshiba, and this looks so heavy, so heavy. This is look like a hard disk in the Apple. So it's too, I don't know, but it is hard drive of I think 20 GB, because they're saying that this is a 20 GB iPod. And there is a caution, as you can read the do not disassemble backup, and Toshiba cannot be held responsible for the I don't know, this some Toshiba will not be held responsible for the Apple's product. Okay, that's fine, you have to look for it. Okay, this is the hard disk. I don't know where I can use it, because there is no use of around this product. Okay, how to open this, because I don't know. I think this soldered. So okay guys, we have separated this and we have removed this clip, and as you can see, this is free and this is, so there is no use this of this stainless steel part. And okay, there are some screws, as you can see, there are some screws and I have to remove it. So there is a screwdriver I came with, and I am going to remove this. Okay, one screw is out. Okay, second screw, and this is the third one. Okay, there is also the fourth one. Okay, I think we can put it outside now. This one is not coming outside. It's a very useless product. Okay, I am bringing it outside without any delay. And see if this will come out as well. Okay, there is a screw as well. Okay, the fifth screw is come out. Okay, now we can there is a battery connector. I think this is the battery connector. Okay, we have removed this, and this is the motherboard. As you can see, this is the motherboard. Okay, and this is the battery, important part, which is fixed, I think, very well. I am saying that please do not try this at home, because it may be risky. And let's see if it come out. Okay, so this is the battery, and okay, the model number I came to know about, as you can see, this is model 6160206. Doesn't contain mercury. Okay, we don't bother with it. Okay, this is made in China. Okay, as you can see, the products are separated now, and we are to find this is the battery. And as these type of battery Apple produce or outsource from various companies, and this is made in China. And battery, and this type of batteries we found in the Chinese mobiles. So this one is the battery. Second one is the hard disk. I am actually astonished about find the hard disk which is promoted by Toshiba, which is produced by Toshiba, and this is I think this model, this is 20 GB. If you can see, this is 20 GB. If you can see, yes, 20 GB. And this is made in, okay, this is made in Philippines. This is made in Philippines, and I'm shocked about this, because this is very Toshiba hard. It's 20 GB hard disk. and I'm going to review this in a very separate section. And third one is the motherboard, which is very light. Apple is famous for making the very light motherboards, and this is also impressed me that Apple produced this around 10 or 12 years ago. This is the very light motherboard for the 20 GB Ipod. And fourth one is the metal body. That is the strongest body. You can't even destroy this. And if there is a need, so that I can open this as well, so that we can see what is inside this. Okay. Okay, this is the port. This is the port. Okay, as you can see, this is the port. Okay. And there's nothing left in this. And finally, I don't know about what type of keypad it has. This keypad is so jumbling. Okay, I am going to remove this plate. I think this is stuck here. I don't know if I able to remove this, so I am not going to remove the buttons. These buttons are still working. So this is the keypad section, and I am not going to remove it. And a very important part, this look like a Nokia screen. I think I am not laughing for the Apple, but 10 years back they have created a screen. Looks good. This looks good, and screen is like a normal mobile. So that's what we got it inside. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't try this at home, it may be dangerous. And subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos, and if you want to see the unboxing or any typical type of videos, sequel type of videos, then you can comment in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much guys, keep loving us.